Waterfront property. It comes with big views, beautiful sunsets, and an amazing lifestyle. But it also comes with big responsibilities. If your home or business is near the water, there is one thing standing between your property and potential disaster: your seawall. Hi everyone, I'm Justin here at Dalinghaus Construction. Today we're talking about the unsung hero of your waterfront home. Whether you're on a lake, a canal, or the ocean, your seawall takes a beating every single day. It deals with waves, tides, rain, and shifting soil. And here's the reality: without regular inspections, small issues don't stay small. They escalate into major problems like erosion, sinkholes, and even total structure failure. In this video, we're going to walk through the definitive seawall inspection checklist. I'm going to show you the 7 warning signs you absolutely cannot ignore, answer the most common questions about maintenance, and show you how we keep your shoreline secure. Before we get into the damage, let's define what a seawall actually is. Imagine it as a shield between your property and the unpredictable force of water. Essentially, seawalls are just retaining walls designed specifically for water. They are built to stop erosion, absorb wave energy, and prevent your land from flooding or collapsing into the drink. Now, not all seawalls look the same. They are made from durable materials like concrete, vinyl, steel, or rock. You typically see 3 main types. Vertical seawalls, these are those tall, straight walls you see acting like a solid barricade against intense waves. Curved or recurved seawalls. These are clever. They have a curve at the top to redirect waves back toward the water, which reduces impact energy over time. Riprap or rock revetments. These are those natural looking stone piles. They are great for low energy spots because they absorb wave energy and blend into the landscape. But here's the catch. No matter which type you have, it won't last forever without routine care. Just like your roof or your foundation, your seawall needs attention. So, how do you know if your seawall is in trouble? You don't need to be an engineer to spot the red flags. Here's our 7-point checklist for spotting damage before it becomes a disaster. Sign number 1, cracks. It starts with hairline fractures. They might look harmless, but they allow water to seep through the wall. This slowly erodes the soil behind the wall. If you leave those unattended, they grow, the wall weakens, and eventually it can collapse. Any good inspection service will tell you cracks are the first sign of trouble. Sign number 2, bowing or leaning. Look down the length of your wall. Is it straight? If it's curving outward or tilting, that is usually hydrostatic pressure. That means the weight of the water and soil behind the wall is pushing it over. This is a critical signal that the wall is under massive stress and could fail. Sign number 3, seawall cap failure. The cap is the top of the wall. If this is cracked or deteriorating, water gets in from above and compromises the whole entire structure. Don't ignore the top edge. Sign number 4, surface deterioration. Are you seeing peeling, holes, or big rust stains? This isn't just ugly, it indicates internal corrosion. The materials, whether concrete or steel, are breaking down. Sign number 5, water pooling. If you see water pooling behind the wall or leaking through joints, you have a drainage problem. Water needs to escape. If it can't, it builds up pressure. These signs are often the precursor to sinkholes. Sign number 6, anchor rod deterioration. Many walls rely on anchor rods to stay stable. If these are rusty, bent, or exposed, your wall is literally losing its grip. And sign number 7, soil loss or settlement. This is a big one. Do you have soft spots in your yard, sunken areas, exposed tree roots? That means the soil behind your wall is washing away into the water. This threatens your seawall, your patio, and even your home's foundation. I get asked all the time, Justin, how often do I really need to do this? Here's what the experts say. You need a full waterfront structure inspection once a year. Do it before storm season. You should also check it immediately after major storms or flooding. And if you're buying or selling a waterfront home, a seawall inspection is a non-negotiable. Even newer seawalls can crack due to nearby construction or shifting soil. Another common question, how long do they last? A well-built seawall can last 30 to 50 years, but only if it gets maintained. Materials matter. Concrete lasts longer than wood or vinyl in high energy zones, but most walls need touch-ups every 5 to 10 years. And finally, why do sinkholes happen? It's simple. Water seeps through the cracks in the wall and sucks the soil out with it into the body of water. This creates a void, an empty space under your grass. Eventually the grass collapses. So, you've spotted a crack or maybe a soft spot in the yard. What now? A patch job isn't enough. At Dalinghaus Construction, we offer lasting peace of mind. Inspection services, we evaluate everything: cracks, bowing, anchors, and drainage. Seawall repair, we restore walls compromised by time and tides to stop shoreline loss. Seawall anchoring, if you have that lean we talked about, we install heavy-duty anchor rods to pull it back and secure it. Cap replacement, we replace those cracked caps to seal the wall and keep it watertight. Our goal is to stabilize your structure before it affects your home foundation. Owning a waterfront home is a dream, but don't let a failing seawall turn it into a nightmare. Don't wait until the wall collapses into the water. If you are searching for seawall inspections near me, or just want to be sure your property is safe, contact Dalinghaus Construction today. We offer free evaluations, trusted warranty repairs, and fast stabilization. Protect your shoreline, protect your investment, schedule your free evaluation today. I'm Justin, and thanks for watching, and never settle. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next home improvement guide.